kidding. Yeah, I'm fully vaccinated. Number 2. Unfortunately slash fortunately, I had to mix it. They didn't have a supply of Pfizer. They only had Moderna. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? So they did forewarn me, saying that they asked me what my side effects were, and they weren't all that serious, to be honest. I didn't have very serious side effects. This arm was sore for at least 24 hours, maybe a little bit longer. Can't tell, maybe it could have been the way I was sleeping too. I was definitely very fatigued for 24 hours, and that was the worst of it. But they did tell me that... Does this person want my spot? No, this person's leaving. But they did say that there's a higher likelihood that I will probably develop a bit of a fever. My mother got 2 shots, both AstraZeneca. My wife got 2 shots, both Pfizer. I'm the only one that's mixed. So maybe I will get more serious side effects. I don't know. We will see after today. For now, I got to do some grocery shopping. Bright light. Because the kids did not want to wait. And yet it was their idea to come here with me. But Grandma took them home. Now, I know I don't get to a lot of people. I know a lot of people don't view my videos, but just in case, I do want to at least put it out. I'm not pro or anti-vax. I do this because I don't have much of a choice. I still have Mom living at home with us. She's in that age group where she, want to keep her safe too. Where I work with kids, and that's kind of a job requirement, especially in the restaurant industry right now. We're opening back up come Friday. The province is moving forward to stage 3. A lot of us need to be vaccinated because we're exposed to a lot of people. Again, regardless if you believe it or not, and with the whole COVID, whether it's a hoax or whatnot, some of our livelihoods really depend on us being vaccinated to get back to a sort of sense of normalcy. We'll look down the road, see what happens, see if it was all worth it or not. But right now, let's just get this done. I went a whole year without actually working. That's rough. I spent the past few months making myself valuable to my new job position, at the same time making myself useful to the part-timers. And I just got a call from my side gig, which was a catering company, and because we're moving to stage 3, they've actually got 1 gig for me. Usually in one summer I would have done maybe like 5 or 6 gigs for her. I only did 2 gigs all of last year, so you can just imagine just how much business has suffered for people like them, for people like us. So depending on when I put this video out, be nice to us, be kind. A lot of us haven't worked for over a year, and odds are, if we are working, those places probably are running understaffed. I mean, my wife is back to work as well, and they're understaffed. A good maybe 20 or 30% of their staff has not returned, and they only open up in stage 2. They're desperate. They're interviewing people like right now, and we haven't even hit stage 3 yet. So you just imagine the problem it's going to cause us. Now that we know that we're hitting stage 3, we only heard about it like a few days ago. So we only have about a week to fill in roles that have been lost. That's only assuming that these restaurants have kept in touch with their staff to know whether or not they'll be returning. So if you see us coming back, we'll welcome you back. But at the same time, be patient with us. Give us a chance to. We're all going to be a little bit rusty. A lot of us will probably be pulling double duties, and we'll try our best. That's all we can really do. Because ultimately, nothing's going to be the same for a very long time. It will take a while to rebuild everything that was damaged. Businesses takes years to build up, but it can all go downhill in a heartbeat. And this has been a 1 year long heartbeat. Hey, which means in a couple weeks I should be able to travel again. Maybe we'll take a drive down to Boston and see the in-laws. And yeah, my bank account is empty. So much for that. That's gonna be a pizza day. Oh, I'm James. Wait, I am my own driver. Hopefully it's not foreboding, but I did come across some article that WHO said it's dangerous to promote mixing vaccines. I just mixed mine.